Criminal. Hey, good morning everyone. I know in London was such a crappy weather, and that's why me and my girlfriend decided to come to Fuerteventura. You know, remember last month I was visiting Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, and because there was everything so nice, said okay, I'm gonna give a try to the other Canary Islands. So here I am, Fuerteventura. Super windy, so I'm talking with you from the bushes. But yeah, I love it. I love it. To come in the winter at the sea, it's amazing. It's like no one on the beach. You can enjoy everything. The views are amazing, and the sound and everything. Wow, man, I'm so excited to come to the sea. Look, a butterfly, even a butterfly. So yeah, let's go. Let's enjoy the day. I will show you what's in here. Hope you're gonna enjoy it and you're gonna come in here, because so far for me it's looking amazing. So beautiful. Words can't describe what's happening in here. You guys, have you planned any trips? Where do you go next? If you have any good destinations, just please let me know in the comments, or give me a link of your trips. I want to check them, and why not to subscribe your channel? So please do it. Don't worry, I will subscribe. Crazy roads, country roads, amazing, with the mountains and these waves and this sea, and so happy, man, so good. What's this? Oh, the label. I had the tip from Abigail, Vijalba Abigail. She's my friend in London. Thank you, Abby, for this tip. We came to an empty beach. She said that never here is someone. Last stop of the day. You know when you watch a movie and you see a place like in the fairy tales. My girlfriend, she's crazy. I told her, don't laugh, I'm talking. She's laughing. So
He's
okay.
so cute.
So when you watch a movie and you see a place and you're wondering, where the hell is that place? And it's like ultra secret, it's like the best kept secret. In this moment, I feel like I'm on one of the places. Why I'm saying that? Come on, I'll show you in just a second. Come on, don't laugh anymore. I know you don't want to go out because it's so windy and I have to talk in the car, but yeah. So I will show you because I can't talk nothing else. It's speechless. Well, yeah. Let me just show you. No fog needed.
Trebuie să mâncați tot din farfurie.
Good morning, everyone. After such a delicious breakfast, that grapefruit was awful. I was thinking to show you a bit of this hotel. It's so big, so nice. I never had the chance to stay in such a nice hotel, but Sandra, she had a big discount, so we said okay, we can afford it, we can come to this hotel. Okay, let me see you the hotel and show you the hotel, and then let's find that beach. Whoop! I feel proud of myself. Why I'm saying this is because when I was a little kid and I was watching TV, I was always seeing surfers, this kind of wild beach, and I was always wondering when I'm gonna be able to do this kind of things. And now somehow it's reality, and I think it's one of the best feelings, because when I arrived on this beach and I saw all the landscape and everything, straight away I had goosebumps, straight away, and automatically in my mind came that image with me when I was a little kid watching TV, wondering when I'm gonna be on that kind of beach. And here I am, and I'm so happy. So I don't know, I don't even know what to say. Words can't describe what I feel now. So yeah, guys, try to travel. It's gonna change you. I'm telling you, it's the best remedy for your soul. Maybe you can leave me a comment with your favorite beach, because maybe I'm gonna like it as well and I wanna go and visit. And the last beach of the day, sand dunes. We didn't even know that they exist, so on our way to a beach we just found them. Lulu, I'm so red, I didn't see that. I think the sun today caught me a tan. That's good. So yeah, let's see what's happening in here. Whoop! January 2019. Ooh, such a good start of the year. So yeah, for 2019 I just want to like travel the same like I did in 2018, to follow my routine once in a month, a new place to visit, to keep myself healthy, to take care of my friends and my family, and that's it, nothing else. Keep it simple, you know. Spain, thank you for having me. Fuerteventura, thank you for having me. Guys, I will see you next month. I don't like to say this, but if you want to subscribe to my channel, that will be super duper, and thank you for that. See you on the next.